Hi, the Inspired Actor here with today's bonus archetypal action of Reject. Reject. Begin in a neutral stance. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. Inhale. On an exhale, perform the following movements. While taking a step backwards on your right foot, reach your left arm forward, while simultaneously bringing your right hand to the front of your face, both palms facing away from you. At the same time, turn your head away and to the right. While maintaining this position, radiate the feeling of the gesture with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded.
I reject. I reject. I reject.
And that is reject. This gesture, as taught by the Great Lakes Michael Chekhov Consortium, is based on Leonard Petit's 6 archetypal actions. According to Mr. Petit, there are 6 statements of action that all other actions are based in. I give, I take, I yield, I reject, I hold my ground, and I want. If you would like to read more about his views towards archetypal action, I'll put a link to where you can buy his book, The Michael Chekhov Handbook for the Actor, in the notes. As a reminder, these are different from archetypal gestures in that they refer to your actions only and may not be useful with regards to finding a character or gesture of a moment, atmosphere, or play. Archetypal gestures can serve as a basis for action, character, scene, atmosphere, entire script, entire experience of that script, and much more. It is important as you do any gesture that you visualize yourself doing the gesture first, and then follow the gesture with your physical body. Mr. Petit calls this imaginary self your life body. However you define it, developing the image of yourself performing the gesture beforehand strengthens your imaginative powers and enriches the physical power of the gesture. Also, no gesture is useful to the actor without consciously adding quality to the action. Try performing the gesture as if you were molding through space. Then try it with a floating quality. How has that changed the action? Mr. Petit thinks of psychological gesture as a kind of question that the actor can answer through their radiation and their imagination. Begin using these gestures with your full body and then slowly begin to veil them over time, retaining their power but hiding the physical action. Once you have mastered that, then you will begin to see powerful results in your acting. And as always, please remember your feeling of ease and your feeling of form. See you all later.